to deep center. Damon going back, looking up, and this ball is gone. A grand slam home run for Darryl Strawberry. Do you believe it? It is 12-6 Yankees. They got what they waited for.
Good morning, students and staff. I'm Mr. Fothery, your principal, and I'd like to take a moment to commend you on your behavior during previous all-school assemblies. I've been with the district for the past 7 years, and I've had the honor to be your principal for the past 5. We have had more school-wide assemblies over the course of the past 3 years as a reward for your positive behavior. Today, we have an opportunity to bring in an outside speaker, a very famous outside speaker, to present with us his story of perseverance. I want to caution you to give him your undivided attention and respect as he is a guest in our Ram Nation. Our behavior today will determine how many more school-wide activities we have in the future. I'm very proud of all of you and honored to bring in speakers to meet you. Darryl Eugene Strawberry Sr. is a former professional baseball right fielder and author who played 17 seasons in the Major League Baseball. During his career, he helped lead the New York Mets to the World Series championship in 1986 and the New York Yankees to 3 World Championship Series in 1996, 1998, and 1999. A popular player during his career, Strawberry was voted to the All-Star Game 8 times from 1984 to 1991. Please enjoy the following baseball highlights from Mr. Strawberry's career and continue to build a better world, one Ram at a time.
There goes Strawberry. Breaking ball is high. The throw, not in time, and he's done it.
Home run, Darryl Strawberry.
I can't believe it. That ball hit the top of the stadium.
Strawberry is up facing Nepper. It is now a 4-1 ball game. Strawberry hits it high in the air to right. Bass to the wall. It's gone. The score is tied.
Bottom of the 5th inning.
Speaking of home runs, there's a long drive. That ball is out of here.